You need milk, sugar, and chocolate abuelita. First, you'll add 3 cups of milk. Now it's time to add the chocolate. You'll take half of the bar of the abuelita, which are 2 little triangles, and put them in the blender. Then, to make it slightly sweeter, you're just going to put 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Now locate your soup function on your blender. You see, it is a programmed function. Press that and wait for the magic to happen. Your blender will stop on its own, and then just take the top off and watch how hot it is, straight from the blender to your glass. Now look how it comes out, so gorgeous and tasty. I only use 3 cups of milk because you know the milk gets kind of frothy. You can also make another batch if you need to make more, but this is ready to drink. Now for the taste test.